The latest Yeezy 350 drop is the Onyx and the Bone. Do you rock this cop or do you flip this flop? Let's find out. Actually, let me pose for the thumbnail here.
Von Job Vlog.
What's going on? It's your boy, Legendary Badass, aka Von Fry Will Die, Von Jog Vlog. You know my name, or you should by now, you're watching my channel. Before we get into it, let's go ahead and smash that like button. Like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Ring the bell for notifications. Because who's kidding who? This isn't the typical sneaker channel. I usually talk about movies and other things that get me down. So, I was super crazy fortunate because my mom is getting Instagram famous. Unbeknownst to her, I actually was able to get from Adidas Confirm the Onyx. And from Yeezy Supply, the Bone. And you know what? It's my first time actually winning any Yeezys. I had the unique privilege of paying over $230 a piece for them. You actually had to pay $8 shipping and handling for the Yeezy Supply drop, whereas Adidas Confirm had free shipping. They arrived on the same day because they came from the same goddamn place. What do you say we get into the Bone first? If you want to see my unboxing of this beauty right here, go to my Instagram. I had my mom unbox this. It's worth a laugh. This, yeah, as she said, it was a cute shoe, right? It looks pretty good. You know, this is not the best tie job, Yeezy Supply. Now, I'm going to have to learn how you're supposed to do this, because look at this. That's the way it's supposed to be done. What the hell? I should get a refund right here. This is a beautiful white pair of Yeezy Boost. That's what this is. It's what it comes down to. Beautiful white pair of Yeezy Boost. I don't really have any complaints about it. Yes, it's quite vanilla. Oh, well, it's not really that. It's slightly gray. It's not a cream. But you do have the mesh you saw here. My first pair of Yeezy 350s was Citron. And they had this. It's similar makeup. I don't believe that had the Parlay International. You can't see it on this pair, but this is made out of some recycled material. And it does not smell good. It's really weird getting brand new shoes that cost this much and they smell like they've been used in a boys' gym. For nefarious reasons. I have some concerns about this one. And that is being all white with the white outsole that yellows. I don't think this is going to look that good for very long. So, when it comes to the Bone, one of two things. One, you're not going to flip this for a whole lot, okay? It's only going a little over street value. Your StockX or eBay seller fees are going to negate that. Maybe eBay's even starting to charge for that authentication process, which I would stand behind far more than StockX at this point. I just am a little concerned that this is going to yellow a little quick on you. If you have to wear some white Yeezys, say you're performing on stage, you're going to be able to keep these nice and clean, this might be a pretty good pair for you. Because you're not going to damage a more expensive, more elusive pair. Think about it like that. I mean, I actually sat there for an hour on Yeezy Supply before they said I got out of the waiting room and was able to get this. There's got to be a lot of these. That said, the solid color, non-offensive 350s tend to go pretty good in money eventually. I mean, my Citron is now getting, you know, like over 3 years later, it's getting to the point where I can sell it, possibly, for a profit. This, it could do. You know, if you can keep this white, maybe. Now, as for the Onyx, this, it would appear you can get a little bit more for. Is it worth all the trouble to get maybe $50 that can get you maybe 2 meals at McDonald's now for your family? Depending, well, if they get the crispy chicken sandwich, but you're gonna have to have a deal on the app. This is a beautiful pair right here. It's possible that the all black, and this is the blackest of the black, 350s we've ever seen. I do have the bread, you know, that doesn't have the mesh. This has the mesh also, of course. It looks a little less transparent than the bone. And if I can kind of see through these. Oh yeah, there's far more light going in this one. You could probably wear this with a less solid sock design and not be too upset about it. I would think that Onyx is going to go with more outfits. It really is. I am not going to have the wherewithal to, or, you know, the guts to actually try these on and give you that, you know, that foot fetish on foot display. You can find other channels in their OnlyFans who will do that for you. I'm not going to give you that because I am strongly going to consider selling maybe one of these to help pay for the other on probably eBay. But I may wait. I may hold, you know, have people go, well, hell, it's been a while since we've had a solid color 350. I think I'm going to have to settle for the Onyx or the bone. Something like that. Because, like I said, the solid, non-offensive colors eventually come around to being desirable. And boy, does this look good. Finally, we've got the pull tab back, and that is the strongest pull. This pull tab is engineered like you're climbing in and out of, I don't know, maybe a Wrangler, I'll tell you. You got the great Boost. I always love the Boost product. And I think you're going to not see the yellowing effect. This is going to look cleaner longer. I would say that if you feel the need to actually wear your 350s, either of these are going to be a good choice, really. Because you don't want to damage the belugas, right? You don't want to damage the bread. You don't want to wear the, oh, now they're worth nothing. You don't want that to happen. So consider that. If you want to actually rock Yeezys, these two are your best option.
If you appreciate a YouTube channel that doesn't just pad out content to get to the 8-minute mark so that it can hammer you with ad breaks, then you should subscribe to my son's channel. You just got done watching it.